guys, this is part 2 of the thing. I got all the plants. Sugar apple, beanstalk, sugar apple again, cow, beanstalk. I got a lot. And you see, there is no beans, there is no cacao, no beanstalk, no sugar apple. It just pops out of nowhere. I waited 2 or 3 hours, but you should get it in 1 hour. I just mine got a little longer, so here it is. I got the sugar apple, I got beanstalk, I got sugar apple again. Cow. I'm gonna give this to the queen. There we go, queen. Again, pollinator. It's pollinator. So yeah, everything is okay. Pollinated. So bye. You see, um, you see, oh my god, what is that big thing? You see, if you follow all the steps, you're gonna get all this. So bye bye.